Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Enough Secrets. Once again, thank you so much for those people who are watching my channel and they have subscribed my channel. At the same time, they have hit a like button. Thank you for following me. And for those people who are newly people who are going to watch my channel, please do like and subscribe or share with your friends, right? And I have seen that many people, they do watch the channel, but there is no like or a subscribe button. So please see that. uh, like it's a request that if anyone likes the channel, please subscribe and hit a like button, because that's going to give me more and more support to come with some more readings, right? So today the reading is going to be for the zodiac sign of Cancer. It's going to be a reading for the month of August. So we're going to see like whole of August, how is it going to be for Cancer, right? So, before I start my reading, let me share a little bit about the zodiac sign of Cancer, right? How is Cancer going to be? And like, if anyone's, like, month for the anyone had a bad time during month of June and July, so let's hope for something best to come in the month of August. Or if a few sectors of people, maybe like their June and July was very good, so let's hope that God showers the blessing in the month of August also. So I'm going to start the reading now. So a little bit about Cancer, okay? So Cancer, for those people who are born in the month of June 22nd to July 22nd, okay? So basically Cancer is a water sign. So a little bit character of Cancer I'm going to tell. These kind of people are highly intuitive and they manifest things a lot. So many of the Cancer people also comes into the field of like healing or tarot reading or even an astrologer. So many of them, because the intuitive power is so high, right? Even a normal person, if he or she is not a healer, still they have got a very strong intuitive power. They can like come to know about the things just by looking at the vibration of the situation. They're very intuitive. They're very self-protective, and they have a very gentleman character, right? They're very genuine people, and they care deeply about their families. Okay, they are too, I mean, they have a very they do have a little bit of controlling. They have a controlling behavior. These are the traits of Cancer. Sometimes even out of love they start controlling so much, it becomes beyond the limitation of the person to take it. So the controlling behavior of Cancer, sometimes it happens, like over controlling, it also spoils a certain relationship. So this kind of traits, Cancer people, they have. But other than that, they are very, they attract a lot of good friends and lovers through their loyalty and emotions. They are a very emotional person, right? And they are self-protective. When they find anything going wrong, before they don't wait for anything to happen. So they always safeguard themselves, or they safeguard their loved ones. Okay, so these are the qualities of Cancer people. So all the zodiac signs of Cancer, please, like, close your eyes and pray to your God. Or if there are some people who believe in angels, you can just remember all the angels' name and connect. And let's see, like, how is going to be the month of August for Cancer. Okay, just please guide me and tell me how is it going to be the month of August for Cancer. Okay, so let's see how is it going to be. As I open this reading, so a little bit of, if the reading is going to, we are going to cover a little part of everything. If you're into business, if you're into work, or you're planning to do something new, or like your relationship, or your married life, or your breakup life. So whatever comes, little, we'll just try to touch and get a overall reading about August. And it is also a guidance. So whatever resonates in the card, please take it, and whatever does not resonate, please leave it, right? And yes, tarot always guides us. Take it as a good guidance, right? So if anyone is stuck up in their life, like they want to move forward, tarot will definitely guide you to move forward. So these are the work of tarots, like it's a very good guidance. So let's see how is it going to be for Cancer, the month of August. Okay, so let's see. And since I'm a, I do a lot of individual reading, so if anyone wants to get connected to me for a personal reading, they can always contact me via email. My email ID is given there. Okay. And if anyone wants to get in touch via phone, they can just write an email and leave the message, so that by giving their phone number, so that I can get them, I can get in touch with them. And personal readings, like timing, will be giving you, and we'll get in touch with you. Okay, let's see, Cancer. Let's hope that August is going to come with a lot of good news. Wow, wow, that's nice. Okay, okay, that's great. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so for Cancer, I can see, I think June and July for Cancer had been really nice, because I can see a lot of finance growth out here. I can see a very, very good finance growth, right? So you all can also see, you people are really doing very well in your work, in all your business front. Your things are going on very fine, whether you call it as a love life or anything. I mean, June, July is really nice, and yeah, August also, definitely you are going to get a lot of financial gain. You are going to reach that position where you always wanted. Now there are certain sector of people who are so contained with life, that like they have earned so much. Many of the people, they want to lead a retirement life. Okay, it's not necessary to be into, 60 plus to get retired. There are also some sectors of youngsters who have really done very good for them. The investment is so well, they have set up their life, that they want to just sit and, enjoy their life. There is also another card, that is, the Kings of Cups. So you're also waiting for a lot of new beginnings in your life, waiting very emotionally. I think something missing out here is the love life of the Cancer. The king itself is, very, very contained person, so, holding a very good position. You have got a maybe, the Cancer people have really worked hard to get that name, fame, everything, the money, growth of money, relationship, everything is so far for Cancer is going on really well. But I can see, certain times of the life, you feel very frustrated, you feel very stuck up, because there are times when you people want to retire, and then suddenly you see, certain things, like certain responsibility put you down, and, because of that burden of responsibility, you tend to feel very suffocated and all. But one thing good for the Cancer people is, like, they are really going to come out in a very good zone. Okay, I can see the princess. It's not necessary that you have to be a female to be a princess. Princess and, the King of Cups are a very good character of a person, where they are very stable, they're financially strong, the relationship is being very well. So certain part, like starting phase of August, is going to be really good for you. Okay, due to you will have a very good name, fame. Some people might also, they might also get called for some, good interviews, right? There are some sectors of people, like, they have already gained so much of name and fame, and August is going to add more to it. But yes, there are times when you're alone, you do feel a little bit suffocated, right? So you just have to get into some good hobbies of your life, where you can just totally focus your, you can just change your focus to good things. Then yes, the mid of August, I can see is, like, there is a Tower card for Cancer. Tower is basically, you build something, and at the time of the result, you think like it's above to everything is going to happen, and suddenly you see that everything crumbles down, right? So that's the time when you feel very, very upset, and you feel very broken down, right? But the Wheel of Fortunes, but universe is saying that even if you're going to have a bad time, even if in a certain kind of loss in the business, or even a family issue might come up, where you might get detached from your family. But in spite of all that, universe is giving you a card, that is Wheel of Fortune. That means, it's telling you, like, even though that particular phase, like mid of August, is going to be a little bit tough for you, but you are going to come out of it, because blessing of God, please, whoever are people who are not into too much of, who don't pray so much, I would just request you to start visiting your temples, or whichever god or goddesses you worship, please go into the religious part a little bit more in the month of August, because God really wants you. Like, you are a very very hardworking person, right? So I can see that you have really worked hard to gain this good name, fame, money. So I can see everything in August. But there is also a tower movement. Tower movement means something drastically coming down. If it is not a married people, or it's with a relationship, there's some kind of relationship is going to come to an end. And if it is like it's not with the relationship and not with the lovers, then some kind of family issue is going to happen, and that will make you a little bit detached from your family members. But I think now you have to be very very positive, because family is a part of you, right? So it's a very emotional bonding. So I mean, whenever things really go drastically wrong in our life, we tend to always like say our prayers, and that is how we get the guidance, right? So I just want you all to be focused in your religious part more, and like do a little fasting and all, whatever possible, for those religious people who believe a lot in fasting, right? And yes, you are going to have a little, but as I told you, like, the family issue is going to come, where there are going to be a lot of discussions, lot of arguments, and lot of fights. But again, I see, like, there are going to be a little bit of separation card. But apart from that, since God's blessing, if you are going to stay very calm, and you're going to settle all the things, there will be a solution out of it. Yes, like the starting phase of August, you are earning a good money, okay, good reputations, everything will go very fine. But there are times when you are alone, you feel a little bit down, frustrated, you want to come out of a certain situation that has been stuck up for quite a long time. And of course, I told you that there's a tower movement. For some people it can be a separation with the loved ones, or for some sector of people it can be with the family. Okay, a very big issue is going to come for your family. But what I say is, like, the God's blessing is there on you, so you are definitely going to come out of it. Since the wheel of fortune is there, you will get success. Like, finance is going to be good for Cancer. Okay, the finance is very stable, some more growth of finance is going to come, and there is going to be some kind of new beginning in your life. Okay, like, if you have even if there are times when you had a very bad time with your family, but this is going to be a new beginning time. Maybe the relationship issue, whatever you had with your family, is going to start afresh. So you are going to get back to your family again, and those people, like, if you're a married person, if you're a male and you have a wife, or you have a lover, or you have a living partner, your partner, with the help of your partner, you're going to gain a very very good finance. She's going to help you a lot in your business, or in whatever field you want to go forward. Okay, so it's a very very beautiful card for Cancer, I can see. Yes, there are definitely, like, it has to sometimes it has to be like, like, we do have experience of life, so ups and downs are part of it, right? So we don't expect too much of goody goody things in a month. So God always gives us a lot of lessons, they teaches us. So definitely, there are a lot of good beginnings, good finance, good stability. But a frustrating card is there, where you want to just come out of everything. For such kind of people who are getting this card, I would just suggest you, like, whenever you feel that you're very stuck up in life, stop everything for a moment and take out some time where you can just go and go for a holiday, or go for a vacation, where you can like, rejuvenate yourself and come back, and then again start doing your work, right? So sometimes if the routine is too monotonous, we tend to feel very suffocated. So finance is good. And yes, a tower movement, you have to be little bit careful about the tower movement. So I would like to like, clarify this tower movement. So let's see why has this tower movement come. Because you are having a very very good like, I really love your card, because it's coming really nice. So let me check, why is this finance card, like, tower card is coming, right? So let's see. I mean, finance is good, everything is good. Why is this tower card? Okay, waiting. So like, like, for Cancer, you have to be a little bit careful. Like, definitely what I was telling us, it's going to be regarding the, you are going to end up with a little bit of arguments in your family, where you have to stay very strong, and try to settle things instead of just leaving on the halfway. I mean, whenever if you are having some kind of arguments, don't leave it on the halfway, and don't wait for other person to come forward and clarify things to you. It will be better that you sit in front of them and you clarify things. If it is a family, like what is troubling you, because you are not a person who normally open up yourself very fast, right? So you take a little bit of time, you think, and then you say. But what I would suggest is try to sort out the problem there and then, okay? Don't keep waiting for that to get solved on its own, because the effort has to be made from both the side. The effort has to be from your side also. So yeah, I mean, it's a very, very good card, good finance, okay? um Finance is really good for Cancer. I can see a good growth of money. Something new is starting. Okay, if it's for some kind of emotional, I told you, if there is some sector of people who have already parted from the family, there's going to be a new beginning in your life. You are going to get again, you're going to get attached with your family. There's a new kind of beginning of emotions, right? So, and for many of them, if family is not involving in this fight of tower movement, if it is there to be with your lover, your things are going to get sorted out, and new beginning is going to come. So I can see a lot of, in whole of the cards, there are at least three card that is full of financial growth. So definitely, financial growth is that's the main stress of today's time. But yes, I mean, you are going to have a very good health is not going to be a problem at all, okay? So health is also going to be good, but please be really careful to not to pick up fights and all with anyone, okay? I mean, you have to remain very, very calm. So yeah, that's it for Cancer for the month of August. Good finance growth. You have made a very stable, you have your position right now is very stable. You have whoever is working, they have got a very good job, they have got a very good name. Whoever has got a business field, they are doing pretty well. But yeah, sometimes over working stressful life really makes you suffocated, so the suggestion is go for a vacation, right? So tower movement, be very careful not to pick up fights with your family members. I mean, just try to sort out things, even if there's an argument, right? So try to sort out things, because universe is there. So it's not going to be like just because you're having an argument you'll be totally detached from the family, no. And for those people, for so many months or a year, if they're detached from the family, there are going to be a new beginning in their life. So there's nothing to worry. It's really a beautiful card for Cancer. So that's it for the reading of Cancer. I hope Cancer zodiac sign people are going to really like this reading. And if you like the reading, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel, okay? So as like in all my readings, I do say that I am really blessed by angels, and I really believe in them a lot, because in a lot of my life I've got a lot of guidance with the help of angels, right? So we are going to see an angelic card. So let's see like what is there. What's the message, the guidance for Cancer people, okay? So whenever I get stuck up in my life, when I feel like things are really not going fine, so what I do is I just uh, close my eyes, I get connected to the energies of the angels, and then I pick up a card, and believe me, I get solution of all my problems. If my problems are not, I'm very stuck up, I'm not getting an answer. So angelic card really helps me to get those answers. So let's hope like you also get a very good guidance. Just follow that guidance, okay? Let's see. So I have every one of you believe in angels, okay? If there are certain people who don't believe in angels also, you can just believe in your god or goddesses, right? So you can just take the message like that way. But yes, angels do survive. Their energies are very powerful. Yeah, as the cards see, the angel is giving you a message of understanding, right? Your angel guidance is to examine yourself and your current situation in depth, so that you have a clear awareness of the underlying reasons for your challenge and situations. Acquaint yourself with facts about situations and attitude before you take decisions. Self-awareness is a necessary foundation on which to build strong relationship, friendship and work. Understanding your personality is a basic for understanding your spiritual self and your mission on earth. Ask an angel to help you. As I told you, you have to grow a little bit spiritually, maybe because of the work pressure. You people have not been able to, focus so much in your spirituality. So please do try to, whenever you get free time, please try to go to temples or whatever, whichever way you want to worship, right? According to the religious wise, please go, make yourself very very positive. And yes, understanding, definitely I told you that since there's a tower card, there will be a lot of misunderstanding, so you have to take a very proper decision, right? So don't go by words of other people. As I told you in the card, like, sit and sort out the problem, understand the problem and try to resolve it. Best part, everything is good. Okay, thank you so much